Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we will be picking few cards, Capricorn. So these are for your general energies, Capricorn. For your moon energies, I'll be picking one card, and your special love message for your situation, guys, for your love situation. What you need to do, it will be a guidance. So we will start with these cards first for your general energies, and after these general energies we have the pick a card love reading, guys, so you can watch that if you want more clarity. So for your general energies, we have Knight of Suns, Ace of Moons in reverse, and Two of Spheres, Capricorn. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your situation, work situation or your relationship, you are maybe for some of you, you are taking up a new job or making a move to a different place or a city. Some kind of a travel plan may be there in your circumstance, and maybe for some of you, you are simply excited. Maybe you are taking up a new job, or you are happy and excited for something that you have achieved, and maybe this happiness is making you really proud of yourself. But if you are making some important decisions today, you must be careful, guys, because this excitement should not change the way you think, push you towards some rash decisions. So you must be careful today, guys. And if you are making some travel plans, you must be careful with travel also, guys, Capricorn. And in your circumstances, maybe in your love situation, you feel really some kind of thoughts may be there in your heart about your past person. Maybe you are expecting something in this present love. You have a huge expectation with this person. Maybe you are comparing this person with your past person, or for some of you, you are not yet you have not come out of that hurt, that past hurt, whatever the situation was. You are playing that story again and again, stuck in that situation, worried about your that love you lost. Maybe you had a great attraction, you felt really good with that person, but that relationship did not work for some reason, guys, and maybe you need to give up all this negativity if you want change in your life. Move towards something good, move towards something positive. And you are not ready for the change happening, Capricorn. You just are still stuck in that past. That is what is worrying you today. And maybe in your work situation also, some kind of delays may be there in your work. Something may not work. Some projects may get suspended. So some kind of uncertainty is what you see in your circumstances, guys. So you need to be really attentive, be really careful with your decisions. Impulsive decisions will not work. So you need to be clear when you are making some important choices, and if you are able to be really focused, you are going to see positive changes in your situation, guys, Capricorn. So for your moon energies, Capricorn, we have full moon in Cancer. So with this card, guys, it just means that maybe today in your circumstance some kind of maybe you may feel that you are very emotional, and this card stands for emotions, guys. Lot of emotions, heated emotions, and maybe you are going to see yourself in some situation, and though it may be quite emotional, that challenging circumstance is coming to an end, and maybe for some of you some kind of resolution may take place in your relationship. If you had some arguments or fights with this person you love, you may go towards this argument or whatever it is, it may resolve, guys, today, and you need not worry about this situation, because that is what is going to bring you happiness. So if that emotional circumstance is going to resolve, everything will be back to normal very soon, guys, but it will be an emotional situation today, guys, Capricorn. Maybe in your relationship, I see the energy with this card. So for your love message, what you need to do today, cause and effect, such an apt card for you all today, guys. So this just means that what you reap is what you sow, maybe, and thoughts are real, guys. Maybe if we want to achieve, if we want happiness, love, abundance, we must be mindful of our thoughts, because we are the director of our destiny, and universe works with our intentions. So when we have positive, powerful intentions, we can manifest all those in our life, guys. So you must monitor your thoughts and let love be your guide. So when you think for yourself, dream for yourself in a very positive way, wishing love, abundance and success in your life, you are going to definitely reach that destiny. That is the energy with this card, guys. So thank you for watching, Capricorn. That is the reading for you all today. Please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, it says 12 Dancing Princess, Enchantment. So maybe in your circumstances, in your relationship or in your situation today, you are in love with someone deeply and you are willing to let go of your dreams and freedoms for this love. You are willing to sacrifice your dreams. But before doing that, you must find out whether this love is worth it, whether this love is worth letting your dreams die. So you must think and decide for yourself, guys. Think honestly within your heart of hearts whether it will be truly worth taking up something, some greater responsibility, something that involves giving up your freedom, giving up something you love. And you need to be clear if you are making some important choices today. You must do it with clarity. And maybe whatever confusion or doubts you have today, you will find the right person, the person who will be worthy of you, worthy of your love. So that person is coming towards you. But before that, you need to understand what you truly want. You must know what is your expectation and what are your dreams. And no matter what your situation is, you are changing, you are growing so much emotionally and spiritually, and there is a greater maturity happening within yourself. You may not understand it, but you are changing so much emotionally and spiritually. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and you will be taking up greater responsibilities that involves your a lot of burdens on your shoulders maybe. But if it is something concerning you giving up something for this responsibility, you must think twice whether it is truly worth it, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this second card. This is a Crystal Spirits card, guys, and it says Carnelian. So with this Crystal Spirit, it just means that there is strength in any relationship if you allow yourself to be vulnerable, because being intimate and building that trust can only be done when you let yourself be seen truly what you really are in your heart of hearts. So you must be confident that all you have to offer to your partner, confident about all you have, and that way your relationship will flourish, guys. So this Crystal Spirits reminds you that you are a wonderful person as you are, and you can be happy, rest assured, hold your head high, because you are a good person and you can be confident thinking of that, and you are that pillar of strength, beautiful, and you are an unique spirit, and you deserve the relationship you want for yourself. And this Crystal Spirit's guidance is that universe is working that you see that you have that relationship you simply wish to have. So you can feel confident, be confident in your own skin, be who you are, trying to be really open about what you truly feel and show this other person what you are. That way you are building this relationship on truth and trust, and that will work magically, guys, and you will have a better understanding with each other. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.